Hey, what's up guys? Happy Friday. As you know, I like to do short videos on Friday, and this one's gonna be inspired by my little trip to the beach earlier this week. Now, when I'm at the beach and I'm in like that vacation mode, I'm not worried about being productive. I don't worry about doing the things that are staples in my day-to-day when I'm running my business, when I'm trying to be productive and get work done. When I'm at the beach, if I don't sleep that well, doesn't bother me. If I don't eat very well, it's okay. If I want to have a drink, no big deal. The purpose of this video though is I want to challenge everybody watching, if you're not already, to be mindful about what you put in your body and how you treat your body and how it makes you feel. You know, it starts with honestly just thinking about it and trying to be in tune with you. You know what I mean? And like what makes your brain function optimally. And it's gonna be different from person to person, and nothing that I'm trying to say is judgmental in any way. But I realized that I need 8 hours of sleep. So you know what I started doing? Sleeping at least 8 hours a night. I was so much better the next day, so much more productive. I realized that certain foods, to me, in my body, are downer foods. Like I eat certain types of food, like pizza or a hamburger, and I'm not gonna feel good afterwards. Or I might feel all right, but my brain isn't gonna work. I'm not gonna be as sharp as I would be if I had just eaten something lighter, like fruit, you know what I mean? Or it doesn't have to be fruit, but you get what I'm saying, like certain foods. And I mean, it's for sure gonna be personalized to you. And I just wanna challenge you guys, like be mindful about what you put in your body on a work day when it's time to be productive. Exercise, if you have time, challenge yourself to exercise, even if it's just taking a walk around the building when you're at work or whatever it is. Find these little hacks in life that help you like get your blood flowing and feel productive, or at a minimum, not feel unproductive. Because I know for sure everybody watching this knows what I'm talking about. When you're not vibing and you're not feeling like today's a day where I'm gonna get a lot done, it's easy to make excuses, right? And just remember that like in life, when you make a choice to do something, you're making a choice to not do everything else. So just, you know, be cognizant, think about it, think about your choices. It's a wide range, a wide spectrum. I could talk for a lot longer in this video, but I want it to be a short one because it's Friday. So that's it, guys. I hope that this video, you know, helps you just, like I said, make a little change, be more mindful, more cognizant of like what you do in your day-to-day and like how it affects your ability to get things done. Because on this channel, we all know we're trying to help each other out with our e-commerce businesses, making passive income. And I'm sure we all have a reason, right? We all have our motivations and we want to get there. So let's see if there's like other little incremental changes we can implement in our lives that help us get there. That's all I wanted to say today, guys. I hope you have a great day, and I'll talk to you tomorrow with a new video.